생일 축하합니다. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 생일, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word 생일. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 196. 생일. 생일. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is sang, the second syllable is il. Pronounce it with me. 생일. 생일. The word 생일 is simply the Korean noun for birthday. Again, this is the Korean term for birthday. How do we write 생일 in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the two syllables. To be able to write the syllable sang in Hangul, we need to draw first a siyut character, followed by the e character, followed by the iyun character. For the second syllable il, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyung, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 생일. Now let's try to look into this example expression. It says, happy birthday. Again, it says, happy birthday. The Korean translation of this is, 생일 축하합니다. Again, it's 생일 축하합니다. The first part of the sentence is 생일, and this is our word for today, and we already know that it means birthday. The second part of the sentence is 축하합니다, and this is a formal way of saying congratulations. So, when you say 생일 축하합니다, it's the same as saying congratulations on your birthday. This is the direct translation of 생일 축하합니다, but this can also be used to say happy birthday. So again, congratulations on your birthday is the same as saying happy birthday in Korean. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 생일 축하합니다 is simply happy birthday. And with that, you've just learned 생일. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 186 to 195. But don't forget our word for today, word number 196, 생일, and this is the Korean noun for birthday. The first word for our review is word number 195, 닥쳐, and this is used to say shut up. Word number 194 is 약속해, and this is used to say promise me or I promise. Word number 193 is 의사, and this is the Korean noun for doctor. Word number 192 is 해봐, and this is used to say try to do it. Word number 191 is 봤어요, which means saw, or the past tense of the action of seeing. Word number 190 is 목소리, and this is the Korean noun for voice. Word number 189 is 봄, and this is the Korean noun for spring season. Word number 188 is 태풍, and this is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is 왔어요, which means came, or this is the past tense form of the verb to come. And the last for our review is word number 186, pigone, which means tired. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.